In this video, I am going to show you how to fix a Joy-Con controller that is not charging. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Number 1. Unplug the AC adapter from both the wall and dock/console. Number 2. With the AC adapter unplug, check that you are using the Nintendo Switch AC adapter. Number 3. With the AC adapter unplug, check to see if it is damaged. Damage can include a frayed or split cord, loose connectors, kink in the cable etc. Number 4. Dash the Joy-Con controller from the console. Number 5. Reset the Joy-Con by pressing the sync button once on each controller. Number 6. Attach the Joy-Con to the console. Number 7. Connect the AC adapter directly to the console and a wall outlet. The console screen will power on and the battery charging indicator will momentarily be displayed on the upper left corner of the console screen. Number 8. From the home menu, select controllers. Number 9. Check to see if the Joy-Con are now charging. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.